Hello children, welcome back to PNMRC e-learning classes. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year too. Let's start with the chapter number 13 of second semester. And the name of the chapter is Shelter for Everyone. So let's start with the first topic of the chapter, that is living in groups. Human beings need protection from heat, cold and rain and for their safety. So, all the human beings, we need protection from heat, cold and rain for our safety. Humans are social beings who need to live in groups. So, humans, they are the social being and they live in the groups. Living together is important because people depend on each other to fulfill their needs. So here all human beings, they live together because people depend on each other to fulfill their needs. For example, we need shopkeepers to buy food and other items of utility, from carpenters and masons to build houses, farmers to grow food, etc. So here we need many people, for example like a shopkeeper, to buy food and other items of utility from carpenters and masons. Now masons, they build houses, and what farmers do? They grow food. People live in different kinds of areas such as hamlets, villages, towns, cities and colonies. So many people, they live in different kind of areas, and they are villages, towns, cities, colonies. They all are called settlements. So the name is given settlements. The people settle themselves in such kinds of areas, villages, towns and colonies. Settlements have different sizes and different groups of people live in them. So settlements have different sizes and different type of people, they live in these according to the groups. Hamlets and villages are located in rural areas. Towns, cities and colonies are located in urban areas. Within these settlements, people who live close to each other in a particular area form a neighborhood. So, when we live together close to each other, so we are living like a neighborhood. Neighbors share certain facilities like roads, parks, shops, community clubs, etc. So neighbors also, they share with us facilities like roads, park, shops, community clubs, etc. A good neighborhood is one where people live together in harmony. So what is the definition of the good neighbor? A good neighbor is one where people live together in harmony. They live together, they love each other and they live in a harmony. Every settlement is divided into different areas that are used for different purposes. So all the settlement, they are divided in different areas which are used for different purposes. People's homes are located in residential areas. Commercial areas have markets, shops and offices. Industrial areas are located at a distance from the residential areas. So these settlements, they are divided into three parts. First one is residential area, second is commercial area and the third one is industrial areas. So in residential areas only the people can live there, their homes can be located. In commercial areas only the market, shops and offices are there, and in industrial areas only the industries are there, and industrial areas, they are located from the distance from residential areas. School, colleges, universities and hospitals have special areas reserved for them. So for the schools, colleges and universities and hospitals, some special areas are being reserved for them. City planners ensure that there is enough space for roads and railway lines. So those who plan cities, they consider enough space for roads and railway lines. Green belts are also present to keep the environment clean and green. So, green belts, they are also present when they build the city planners, they keep in mind for green belts also to keep the city clean and green. The layout of a city is contained in its master plan. So, when the city has been planned, they keep in mind all such things regarding the settlements, industrial, commercial and residential areas, and regarding the green belts, so that they can keep the city clean and green. Children, with this we have completed the first part from the chapter number 13. We will continue in our next video. Till then, stay safe.